Could claiming a Tesla stock make you rich? Hello everybody and welcome back to All That Tesla Stock. Subsequent to encountering some margin time toward the finish of May 2022, Tesla stock costs are beginning to level out, and keeping in mind that a ton of financial backers started alarm selling, a few specialists and Tesla stock whales accept that Tesla's stock cost might in any case develop past assumptions sooner than later. In the present video, we will investigate the raw numbers about the fate of Tesla stock and how possessing only 10 portions of Tesla could be worth far more than you naturally suspect. In the event that you're new to the feed and you appreciate content like this, hit that like button and remember to buy in and turn on post warnings by ringing the chime. While a few major names have moved to figure a lower value at Tesla's stock cost presentation in 2022, the monetary quantities of Tesla propose in any case that Tesla was making a ton of deals. The equivalent is valid for Tesla's future ventures. They recommend in any case that a huge year-on-year return has nearly turned into a thing of business as usual for Tesla investors. For instance, assuming you bought 10 Tesla stocks at their pinnacle cost in June 2021, you'd have paid $6,940 in June 2022. Your 10 stocks will be valued at roughly $7,500, which likens to around $540 in only 1 year. This astounding exhibition over the long run has been in the midst of a few conjectures that the cost of Tesla stock would suffocate. In synopsis, this isn't whenever that this first has occurred. Yet how has Tesla figured out how to surpass the assumptions for pundits through such a long time reliably? Indeed, the response is straightforward. While Elon Musk's basic and one-of-a-kind way of running his organization is a certain something, the organization has figured out how to remain in its prime concerning exploration, improvement, and development. So, we should investigate the most recent inside Tesla and how all of that could assume a part in helping the cost of the stock. The first, and presumably most fascinating declaration that has got the web humming is Musk's declaration of Tesla's completely self-driving beta rendition 0.11. The Tesla chief has implied that the organization's completely self-driving fast beta rendition 11 could be set for a worldwide delivery by the late spring of this current year. Musk expressed in an answer to a tweet that asked when the beta rendition 11 of Tesla's fast vehicles will be delivered. Musk composed, "I'm driving an alpha variant of the FT on the thruway, and it's not exactly prepared, presumably prepared for wide delivery this mid-year." Nonetheless, this isn't the main update on Tesla's completely self-driving vehicles in the second 7-day stretch of June. Tesla already expressed that the chief wanted to have the beta adaptation 10.13 of FSD vehicles delivered toward the finish of June, as per the source. Musk said that the net variants of the FSD beta carrying out before long will have critical moves up to the framework and significant thoughtfulness regarding moving traffic circles. Up until this point, most analyzers who have gotten their hands on Tesla's FSD betas have had only certain comments about the experience and execution of the multitude of guaranteed redesigns, which really look good for Tesla's next set of betas. In particular, in the event that these updates and deliveries go as arranged, we should rest assured that premium in Tesla among financial backers will spike in the future, and that spike could likewise accompany a gigantic spike to the cost of Tesla stock, an extraordinary advantage to financial backers right now, clutching at yet the time these begin to produce results on the cost of the stock. Only 10 Tesla stocks could be worth very much of cash, yet that is not all as entrancing as stock vehicles, or they are by all accounts not the only cool thing that Tesla has wanted to deliver for the world. What could be cooler robots as Tesla's man-made intelligence day draws increasingly close? There's been a ton of tales zooming around about what's in store from the organization, while there are reports Elon Musk has proactively uncovered that Tesla will reveal a model of its Optimus robot at its computer-based intelligence day in September. As a matter of fact, the chief made obviously the occasion date has been pushed ahead to prepare the humanoid robot completely for the public eye. This specific venture is so essential to Musk that he guarantees it will be more huge than the electric vehicle division at the organization to where it is such a long ways starting from the principal mystery of the Optimus was delivered in August of. Observer an enormous lift having a fast flashback to when Tesla's stock cost was under $100 and perceiving how it duplicated by 5 and afterward by 10 times when the market started to detonate on the off chance that Tesla is by ready to lead another computer-based intelligence market. We could see one more redundancy of history, with the cost of the organization's stock. Financial backers holding at least 10 Tesla stock could see their speculation twofold in the span of a little while holding their portions. Another fascinating discussion that could truly impact Tesla and its stock cost in what's to come is the development to specific lines with its Starlink project. Starlink as of late declared an organization with the Brazilian government that allows the organization to have its satellites in the Amazon rainforest. The fundamental target for Starlink is to bring web admittance to a large number of individuals in specific regions of the planet. Lacking it over the most recent few months, Starlink's had the option to gain significant headway with its talks at organizations with a few nations to run its ventures in their domains. With the association in Brazil, great many schools in rustic regions without a web association will presently be associated, and it could help screen and safeguard the Amazon rainforest. This is only one of the numerous nations that Musk is hoping to push the limits of its scope as well, and on the off chance that he can effectively arrive at these nations, it could attract the consideration of neighborhood financial backers these districts, and obviously the global scene right now. SpaceX, which as of now runs the Starlink project, is as yet a privately owned business under Elon Musk. Anyway, a ton of exercises are associated with Tesla. Thusly, when the right moves are made by SpaceX and its Starlink project, a ton of the great ponders the Tesla stock costs. Though when Starlink has effectively sent off its frameworks everywhere, it could likewise bring a colossal measure of traffic towards Tesla, both locally and universally. Getting into a more stock-focused subject. In the primary 7-day stretch of June, Tesla Incorporated proposed a 3-to-1 stock split. This move would make the organization's portions more reasonable and obviously an alluring choice for financial backers that like to purchase modest. This recommendation came because of the monstrous sell-offs that occurred toward the finish of May 2022. The decision on this suggestion is set to occur on the 4th of August, and assuming it goes through, it will be the initial time since August that the organization's gone through such a bartering, as indicated by Tesla. This split is to assist workers get better adaptability with the administration of their value. It would likewise make the stock all the more effectively open to bring down level retail investors. Yet, how does this split truly affect the funds of the organization? Yet it would keep the offer cost alive by freeing it up to a more extensive scope of financial backers to think about purchasing the stocks. Following the dunk in its stock cost over the most recent few weeks, Tesla's continually investigated every one of the choices that could get financial backers into its stocks once more, and this is really smart. Joining every one of the turns of events and imaginative plans that Tesla has made arrangements for the future with a split that it's presently arranging, we could see a monstrous purchase in for financial backers that will assume a colossal part in supporting the cost of the stock when that works out. 10 Tesla stocks could be worth a huge number of dollars soon. What do you think about the Tesla stock cost? Do you suppose this multitude of elements are sufficient to start a pursuit? Tell us in the remark area beneath, and keeping in mind that here, feel free to tap on one of these 2 recordings on your screen. See you there.